Vertical bar graph in AI Connect. Here, data of the given table is used to draw a vertical bar graph. This table shows the number of mathematics books sold by a shopkeeper in 6 consecutive days. Days: number of books sold. Sunday 65, Monday 40, Tuesday 30, Wednesday 50, Thursday 20, Friday 70. To draw a vertical bar graph in AI Connect, create a project. In it, create basic coding activity. Then, follow the given steps. Step 1. Drag and drop bar chart block from the 𝐕𝐞𝐫𝐭𝐢𝐜𝐚 subcategory. Step 2. Attach title block and type the title of the graph in it. Step 3. Attach add label block and add all the data and their labels using plus button on it. Step 4. Attach render chart block in the end to show the graph on the stage area and click on run button.